Today I'm going to be reading a book called What If Everybody Thought That. What if he's too little to play basketball? He won't make the team. He'll never get that ball in the hoop. He should have picked wrestling. What if everybody thought that? Zip coming through. Whoosh. Yes, woohoo. Yay, wow. You're wrong. They might be wrong. She's probably too embarrassed to go anywhere. Is it contagious? I only thought men went bald. What if everybody thought that? They might be wrong. What do you think? So cute. Looking good, ladies. Bleach, raw fishes probably taste yucky. Do they have chicken bites and french fries? That doesn't look like a cookie. That's stroopwafel. There's no way I'll try any of that. It's from Mexico. What if everybody thought that? They might be wrong. Wow, you totally should try this dragon roll. It's absolutely amazing. I'm so proud of you, sweetie. So this is street corn and a veggie fluta and refillable beans and Tommy Tillos, and I tried them all. This is the most delicious cookie. This is the most delicious cookie I have ever had in my entire life. Hooray, hooyah! My mommy said, be polite, take a bite. And I tried, and I did. I tried a lot of different food, including sea urchin. But I don't think I like sea urchin as much as I like french fries. Try something new. It's good for you. Or my son vacation. Wow, he's not very smart. I could spell that better in kindergarten. He shouldn't be in this class. What if everybody thought that? They might be wrong. I didn't know that you could do robotics. You are brilliant. That's incredible. Too bad you can't be in the relay race. Guess you'll just watch us run. This isn't a race for special kids. They might be wrong. Run your own race at your own pace. You got this. Wow, go girl, yes. Totally wrong. He can barely say ha 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 ha. Hello. There's no way he can sing. I can't listen. What if everybody thought that? They might be very absolutely 100% wrong. So very wrong. Bravo. We think everybody here is fantastic. I think you might be right. I think we should all be more thoughtful. What if everybody said that? Everybody should. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!